What's up, everybody? So, got a little free time after work tonight, and I want to come out here and try to mess with the white truck a little bit. Gonna try to see if we can get the accelerator pump a little bit better. It's either loading up or it's not loading enough, and I thought it would be all right, and it's still got that little lean spot in there, so I want to try to adjust it a little more and test it out, because you stomp the thing and it just dies. So I want to get it to where it's running pretty good, and then if I got to step up or step down a size, I got to get that figured out, because I don't want to just keep dealing with it. So we're going to go ahead and get the truck fired up and see what we can figure out. Yes, here's what we got before we start it. You can go ahead and bump the throttle. There's nothing there. Nothing. Yeah, I get about a quarter of the way, and we got it. Lots of slop. So now that I got motor running pretty good, I'm going to try and move that cam gear a little bit to advance it, because if it stumbles and you bump it a couple times, just stand on it, it's there. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to adjust that first before I even start the truck and see what happens. Okay. So we got our little cam gear right here, and I'm gonna take these, if I can get these springs off. Get them off this way better. Go ahead and knock this off so I don't really have a lot of pull on it. And there's a little gear here. Which is your little pump cam. So I was on the #1 position, and I'm gonna try to move it to the #2 position down here. That'll raise it up a little more, make it come in sooner. That's the theory anyway. It's a pain in the ass, especially when you're on a lifted truck, because everything's so tight in tolerance, and then you got to stand on these big ass tires. All right, so attempt to stick in this hole right here. Nope, can't get it in there. If I move it down just a little bit. Okay. There we go. We got her. Okay. Let me go ahead and put our spring back on. Right here. Okay. Now, we're just starting to move. It's a lot tighter, so I'll probably have to tighten that spring up a little bit. But now, just start to move it and we got it in. So let's get her fired up. I think that made a big improvement once the engine got a little warm, but we're gonna try that. So a lot more responsive, and it doesn't just bog. So it's only about 55 right here. So once it gets a little warmer, I just let it sit for a while and then come out and give it a little rev, see if it works, because that's what I run into. Get it to work, let it sit, go to give it a rev, and then it just falls on its face. So, well, everything's progress. So, catch you guys next time. Stay tuned.